This is from, this is from, this is from Matilda.
That's right. Not at all.
And the one I must to go on, but you ain't been in your hand, so you understand who's boss. My defeat sleeps top to toe with her success. Oh, this is from, this is from, this is from Matilda. Matilda, and she needs you. This is for Matilda. Just like Jonathan said, the breath are taken, and the one I must to go on. But it ain't been in your hands, so you understand who's boss. My defeat sleeps top to toe with her success. Oh, this is from. This is from Matilda.
Yesterday I enjoyed it with dirty socks on. Tonight I'll enjoy it with clean socks on. Clean pair of underpants. Nice hot cup of tea in my hand. A little bit crushed to the biscuits, which will be dipping, but all at hand. It's going to be a large one, I'd say, brothers and sisters. Let's go after it.
What are you doing, AJ?
Oh yeah. I appreciate that you have this giant roll of Gorilla Tape because I think it's going to come in very handy.
And she needs you. This is for Matilda. And she needs you. This is from Matilda, and she needs you. This is from Matilda. This is from Matilda. This is from Matilda. Matilda. Tra la la tra la tra la la tra la la tra la tra la la tra la la tra la tra la la tra la la tra la tra. In your snatch is pleasure, boom, she pleasure. Deep greedy, googling every corner.
watching this boat recircling this hole for like half an hour.
The choir in your roof lies a heartland where we temple our treasure, pleasure is all in your eyes. In your snatch with pleasure, a boom cheap pleasure. Going every Two tabs on your tongue. I heard the shepherds, I heard the sheep sleep, now I'm the only one. Broken sweethearts, who sleep apart. Most of mine feel satisfied to sleep starts. To pose, now shush. She makes the sound the sea makes to calm me down. I am see-through, so slippery, you're so thin. As I begin rubbing others out, your state worsens on my skin. And Violet's finger to you, 1, 2, 3, 4. To pose, now shush. She makes the sound the sea makes to calm me down. She makes the sound the sea makes. I'm tired now.
almost there. We're almost halfway. Flappity flap. I love it.
It's so soothing. It's like a massage.
What I find amusing is that if we take all of our food away, then the bear's just going to eat us. They all look like class 3, but it's like scary ass stuff. No, I like those abysmal photos. I'm glad you take them. I never take any.